Hello, this is CN Honor right here, and I welcome you back to my channel once again today. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing yet another review video on Boom 1000 Index. I made review videos and predictions on 5 pairs at the beginning of the year, and Boom 1000 was the most recent. I made it around 3 weeks ago, right? And I said a lot of things. I believe this picture you're seeing now is familiar already, because I used the screenshot of it as the thumbnail for that video, and I deliberately left this setup. I deliberately left these indicators, okay, because I knew I was going to monitor the movement of price, okay. So and since then these indicators has been here, and let me quickly show you the video I made so that you look at the picture that you have here right now. And if you go to my channel on YouTube, let's just see if you be able to recognize the picture of the thumbnail, and then you relate it to what we have right now on Boom 1000 at at daily time frame, or on daily time frame rather. So if you go to my channel, go to the video section, the uploads, just as you can see. All right, you click here, look at it. I think it looks familiar. Look at it very well. Yeah, something like this, look at it. How does it look? Is it not familiar? This is what I'm talking about, okay. I made this video 3 weeks ago, right? Just as you can see, look at it, 3 weeks, okay. And I deliberately left it. Look at the picture very well, so that when we get there, because I made predictions that price is most likely going to bounce off from the downtrend line that I was able to identify. I made an identification, right? I identified this, and I said that price is going to push, most likely to retest. Although as at that time price made the movement down here, but price was here, I was saying that it's going to push and bounce off from that trend line. And that's exactly what is playing out right now. So let's get back to the MT5 to see what I have for you guys. I'm going to make further analysis. I mean, you don't have to joke with whatever we say on this channel, and you can see it playing out right away. Now I just took a trade, and as soon as I'm done recording, I'm going to put my stop loss perhaps somewhere here. Let me show you where I'm going to put my stop loss. My stop loss is going to be somewhere above this place. But why did I take the trade that is running now? Okay, now this is not with 100% certainty, it's prediction. Okay, so why did I take the trade? I discovered that price has actually bounced off from where I predicted the last time. Just as you can see, price bounced off from here, okay, and then it's pushing up. It has pushed up to this point right now, and then remember that this trend line you're seeing was actually internals. It took internals, okay. And right now I'm seeing that there is a trend line that is going to be respected. Now what I'm going to do now is that I am going to do this. Please, I beg your pardon. I'm going to do something right away. So I'm just going to push this up, okay. Can you see something? I'm going to push this up, and then if you look at the horizontal line, these two horizontal lines that you're seeing, right here, they are powerful psychological areas, okay. They are psychological zones. If you look at the 137000 and then 13600, now if you go to lower time frame, that's when you're going to see it clearly, just as you can see. Now this trade is actually against me because it's been spiking. A lot will happen around that, between the two psychological lines. Okay, between the two psychological lines, a lot is going to be happening. Look at it here. This is the 13700 and this is 13600. Okay, which is why I'm going to be putting my stop loss above those two highs. And that point has actually made the trade late. Had it been I spotted it early, that it's been exhausted already, I would have taken the trade maybe around the 13700, and by now I would have gone out of the market while I observe to see if there will be increase in selling volume, selling pressure, and selling momentum. Of course, it is because of the move I predicted. It is because of this move, okay, the move from here, that it is because of this move that boom 1000 has been on a very strong bullish move for probably days now, or weeks, right? Just as you can see, it's been on a very serious bullish move, but it's getting exhausted already, and that's why you're seeing that the corrections are getting huge. After a bullish move, the corrections are getting huge. Look at the corrections, right? That's exactly one of the reasons why I decided to take this trade now. There's enough equity to hold a strong correction, but then aside that, this trend line also matters, because with the trend line that is running this way now, okay, remember that you are analyzed and you have time to also reanalyze, right? Now this place is forming a confluence. Now I can decide to put my stop loss. This is actually high risk, okay, but because I am positive that most likely, please take note of my choice of language, most likely this is going to be the movement. This may likely be the movement, that's the right words to use. This may likely be the movement of price around this area, maybe this way, and then it may eventually come this way, make a move this way. Price may eventually make these moves, okay, or it will continue coming down, okay, just as you can see. But our focal point now is here. It's gonna be here, and here. Okay, now already this is a resistance zone. That psychological level is already a resistance zone, and which is why if I discover that there is an increase in selling pressure, selling volume, and selling momentum, I may take another trade or other trade, multiple trades, waiting for price to come down to at least test this point. Okay, so that's how we roll, guys. Nothing is by pleasant coincidence. This is technicality. You need to train your eyes to be able to identify what price is doing at any point in time. And if you understand this, if you had followed these predictions, now those of you that are complaining of boom 1000, blowing your account with huge spikes, you would have understood that this pair has been on a bullish move, and as such, if you are trading ticks on lower time frame, perhaps you are scalping, irrespective of how profitable the strategy you're using is. You should have been trading with caution, because the market has been on overall bullish move from higher time frame. Okay, that's the benefit of understanding market structure and then doing top-down analysis to know what the price is doing from higher time frame. And I keep emphasizing on that. So guys, this video is not going to be that long, but I want to also use this opportunity to tell you, to remind you that you need to step up your games. Forex is not for the feebles. Forex is not for the clumsy. Forex is not for the indisciplined. Forex is a very serious game, a very serious business, and you have to give it all that it requires for a business to thrive, right? Your time, your resources, your learning, your knowledge, whatever you have to give in for you to make success or record success in Forex. So I like to also use this opportunity to remind you of my mentorship program. Is still ongoing and it's life-changing. We have a lot. I do say a lot about this psychological level. You see what is playing out there now throughout today. Today is actually a new day. Throughout yesterday and today, if you go to lower time frame, throughout yesterday and today, price has been struggling between these two psychological lines. You can see the psychological line is obvious here now, 13700 and then 13600. These are important psychological, and like I said, a lot will be happening between this place. As soon as it breaks this place now downwards, then it's going to be massive bearish move. But if it breaks up, then it's still going to continue the bullish move. So this is how we do it. This is how we analyze it. This is why we're able to train our eyes and train our brain to make these recognitions, guys. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you get to watch it. My mentorship program is still ongoing. You can hit me up for inquiries. And also, I want to apologize once again for delaying so much before making review videos on the IPC. I mean, it's an opportunity you don't want to miss. People are cashing out some $23,000 per week, some $30-something thousand, some millions per week. Okay, and that's why I made that review video. And kindly, take the risk. Okay, and this is an opportunity for everyone, irrespective of your status quo, whether you know how to trade or not, whether you have Forex knowledge, knowledge in Forex or not. IPC, Intelligent Prime Capital, has made Forex easy for everyone. If you don't have any knowledge in Forex, you can sign up and then invest your money and you'll be cashing out on weekly basis. So I've got tips and secrets on how you can compound profits and even make more profits from it. So all you need to do, and I've also created a WhatsApp group that is strictly for those who are interested. Remember that anything that has to do with CFDs and Forex is generally a risky adventure. So you should be able to invest whatsoever money that you are willing to lose. But I know nothing is going to go wrong because a lot of people, I'm going to give you tips, secrets on how you can invest wisely and then make your money like crazy. People are becoming multi-millionaires. I was checking the leaderboard and I discovered that those that are topping the list are Nigerians and Ghanaians all over the world. It's just after a while that you see France, you see Singapore, but Nigerians are topping up. So I don't know what you're waiting for. I am on it already. Even though I can trade on my own, I'm still on it because I want to make more money, and I believe you want to make more money too. So check in the description box of this video. You will see the link to that you're going to use to sign up with Intelligent Prime Capital. I've also made a detailed step-by-step video live raw on how you can set up your IPC account. So check all in the description box and you are going to see them all. So I want to say bye for today, but before I do that, I want to also remind you that I need to give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk to you in my next video. This trade has actually entered profit and it's going to be going down, but even if it goes against me, as soon as I'm done recording this video, I'm going to put my stop loss somewhere that I've shown you, and then I'll watch price action determine my fate. Talk to you in my next video, guys. Bye.